Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to do a mermaid braid. It's kind of like a French braid, but it's easier because you don't have to have so many sections in your hands at once and try to keep them all together. Here is an example of what we'll be doing. This is my girl Stacy. Stacy with the good hair, okay? And it is easier to do on a mannequin, obviously, but I'm showing you on myself so that you can try it on yours. Okay, so we're gonna start by grabbing a little section of hair, okay, like this. Some of this video I'll be filming from behind so you can see. And the cool thing about this is that you do not need to curl your hair first. Mine's curled just from the other day, but you do not need to curl your hair first, so saves you a step, okay? So we're gonna put this elastic in. Okay, and we're gonna do a topsy tail. That's where you flip it inside out. Okay, and tighten it. I like to have some volume at the front, so I'm just gonna pull on these bang pieces a little bit. Okay. Okay, so the next section, you're gonna wrap around this tail. You're gonna leave this tail, do not include this tail. So grab the hair. Okay. See this? And then you're gonna connect these two together. Like this. And then you're gonna turn it inside out. Okay, and try to tighten it down as close to the other section as possible. Okay, grab another section. Make sure you're not holding the center of the previous section. Your hands may get a little tired. Luckily for me, I blow dry hair all day, so I'm kind of used to it. All right. Tighten it down. Okay. Now I'm gonna turn so I can show you what I do to the back. You really only need elastics and a brush for this hairdo. That one snapped. And then just stop and take a mirror and check the back. And we'll pull them to expand the braid a little bit at the end. Now once you don't have any hair underneath, you'll have this section and this section. Just pull from this section, okay? So pull from here, split this part in two. Okay, and wrap it around the top. Okay. Okay, once I can't reach anymore, I'll come back to the front and show you this way. Okay, so you still have the two. You're gonna pull from the bottom. So take a section from the bottom, split it in two, and wrap it around the front. Put an elastic, and flip it inside out. Okay. It's okay if this part gets messy because it just adds a little bit of texture. Running out of rubber bands here. I'm going to be doing a wedding photo shoot coming up, and I think my hair is going to be somewhat like this, maybe with some very, very long extensions in it. Okay, so once you do your last flip, you're going to combine your two sections. So you have a top and a bottom. Just put an elastic at the end. Okay, and I like some things down around my face. This would look really cute with some big earrings, and I'm just gonna spread out this braid a little bit by pulling on the edges. Nobody likes flat braids. Okay, and I'm also gonna do the same to the back. Whatever I can pull on, I'm gonna pull on it. Okay, I really like the messiness of these because as you go during the day, it'll get messy, but it's okay because that's how it's supposed to be. All right, so are we twins now? Kind of, right? Her hair's solid blonde, so it looks a little different. But I hope that was easy enough for you. Just remember the previous section of the ponytail, do not include that in your next section. If you have any questions, feel free to message me, and subscribe, share, like, and comment. Okay, until next time guys, have a good day.